हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू चैनल biology.net। आज का हम लोग का टॉपिक है कारा, जो कि मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन है। बार बार एग्जाम में रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, बार बार पूछा जाता है, इसलिए मैं आपको कारा का लाइफ साइकिल बताऊंगा। सो मिलते हैं वीडियो के एंड में। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी डाउट के। सबसे पहले लिखना जीनस होता है कारा का एल्गी। क्लास लिखना है क्लोरोफाइसेई। ऑर्डर लिखना है कैरल्स। डिवीज़न क्लोरोफाइटा। Kingdom Plantia, family Cariaceae, habitat 188 represented 30 species has been found in India. It is found in freshwater and ponds, lake, tank, etc. Few species are found hot spring. It is commonly known as stone wort due to rough surface of calcium and magnesium carbonate. It is found in more organic alkaline water. Plant body or morphology. Cara is a macroscopic multicellular profusely branched thalli. Height is about 20 to 30 cm, rarely about 1 meter. It is differentiated into rhizoids and main axis. Plant body are two types: rhizoids, thread-like structure with multicellular uniseriate and branched. To hold up the plant, which are substratum, absorb their minerals from the nutrition. Main axis long erect branches differentiated into nodes and internodes. Nodes consist of two cells surrounded by 6 to 20 peripheral cells. Nodes consist of three types: branches of limited growth, branches of unlimited growth, stipules. Branches of limited growth. Branches of limited growth after the formation of 5 to 15 layer nodes grow usually stopped. Branches of unlimited growth are also differentiated into nodes and internodes. Each node bears branchlet like main axis. It is differentiated into all the plants with successive their plant and blogging their cariaceae. Shoot of auxiliary unlimited branches or long lateral are developed from the older nodes. Internodes are two types: axial and cortical. Axial, it is surrounded by vertically elongated small cell when originate from the nodes. Just same plemium in case of internodes. Cortical, it is elongated but much older, much smaller diameter other than axial cell. They originate from nodes. Stipules, there are unicellular outgrowth develop from lower nodes of branchia, that is branches of limited growth. That is branches of limited growth. The number of stipules of each node is equals to number of branchlet, which is called unistipulate. Some species are seen in form of image. Stipulates are divided into two types: haplostipulus and diplostipulus. Haplostipulus are arranged in single row. Example: C. brownies. Stipulates are diplostipulates are arranged in two row. Example: C. delica tibet, which also seen in form of image. Cara just look like a hostel plant. We also study in pteridophyte of genus Equisetum. External morphology: shoot branches of limited growth. First one is called external biology morphology. Second one is called branches of limited growth, unlimited growth. Which also seen in form of Haplostiphenus and Dipnostiphenus. Cell structure: the node cell are short uniseriate. The cell are uniseriate, dense granular cytoplasm and many discoid chloroplast with pyrenoids. Chloroplasts are disc-shaped. A small vacuole may be present in cytoplasm. The internode cells are long with a large central vacuole. Many cells are discoid chloroplast differentiated into outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. I have limited time, that's why I am using a flowchart of reproduction of Cara. First one is reproduction takes place by differentiating into vegetative, sexual and asexual reproduction are absent. The vegetative reproduction takes place by formation of a structure, say bulbils. First one is called bulbils. It is just look like oval shape or spherical bodies of the stem of the root. Amorphous solid. They are small segregated nodes and internodes. They are also found in Cara baltica and Cara fragrans. It is attached with tractum. Amylum stars. They are multicellular aggregation of the cell look like stars, and also these are densely filled with amylum stars. Secondary protein. They are thread-like structure developed in the basal shape of the rhizoids. Rhizoids new cells are also developed on secondary protein, which also seen in form of image. Sexual reproduction takes place by oogamous type. There is structurally, morphological and functionally same. Sex organ are yellow in color, spherical in nature is called globule. Female sex organ are called oval, and green in color is called nocule, which also in form of image. Sexual reproduction globule and nocule to form zygote, which also in form of a flowchart. Cara a vegetative sexual by means of bulbils, amylum star, secondary protein, asexual reproduction are absent.